back to the channel. I'm in Beverly Hills today because I need to go repair a bangle of mine from Cartier. So this is a situation with the bangle. What happened was this can just open like this, versus usually it would stay intact in here, and then you would have to push towards yourself in order to open it. But that's no longer the case, and even though it still looks fine, we still have to get her checked out.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
From my wrist, and then now it just kind of opens funny.
Oh, let's have a look. Oh, goodness. Okay.
Is this typical?
Well, you know, 18K is soft, so sometimes if it experiences one maybe tug or something, then that can kind of affect the hinge overall. I'm sorry that happened to you. We'll get it situated for you.
So we just did that, and now we're in the beautiful Garden of Montage, but we've got some Monday special going on here. I think the hotel is doing a drill with their employees, so we literally enjoying some beautiful Monday sun time and some crazy emergency drill. But we got things taken care of. Our next stop is to go to Century City to repair my MacBook because it's kind of outdated. So I got a voicemail from Cartier yesterday. Let's call them and say what's up.
Thank you for calling Cartier Beverly Hills, located on 370 North Rodeo Drive. Please listen to the following options so we may direct you to the appropriate area of the boutique. For a
lady says
wait while I
extension
transfer
2.
your call. Cartier Beverly Hills, how may I assist you?
Hi, I'm calling because I received a voicemail from you guys yesterday. I was just wondering, what is it regarding?
Okay, do you have a repair that you left with us?
Yes.
Okay, so it could be that your repair is ready. Do you have maybe any information in regards to that, the reference number nearby, or?
I don't have that, but can I give you my name, please?
Sure, of course. Give me 1 second. And just to clarify, is this the phone number that you would have under the files, and you left your Clou Bracelet with us on the 10th? So let me take a look to see what the status is for you.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, it is ready for you to pick up at your earliest convenience. So that Rita, the service advisor, was just calling to let you know.
Mm-hmm.
And I saw that the concern was that the clasp was loose. So they were able to repair that. And so, yes, you shouldn't have that issue any longer.
All right, excellent. I'm gonna probably come in and take a look then. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course, not a problem. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm really happy that today gets to be the day where I can just go in and take a look. Hopefully they repaired it the way that, you know, I want it to be, because it was really concerning. But without further ado, let's go to Cartier.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The class, so I feel like everything has got a little bit more confidence.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so I just picked up my bangle in this lovely little new pouch that they give you. I think the hospitality is absolutely beyond anyone's imagination. I mean, yes, like, it's within your imagination, but it's like really, really great service. And the lady that helped us today, her name is Maureen. She is a really, really nice person. This is the pouch that I just picked up, and it has 2 buttons. It's like a travel pouch that you can use it up, and you can, that's how they stored it. And then before they even store it in there, she like makes sure that it's beautifully polished. She was using a cloth and like cleaning it multiple times. So this is my newly refurbished or repaired bangle here. And then now, at least from what I was, you know, touching earlier, it feels a lot more sturdier. So let's open her up. Okay. And let's hear the sound too. Okay. Now it feels more like something that,
Substantial.
yeah, more substantial, more sturdy. But I wouldn't, you know, try to play around with it too much, because when it first came in, it was kind of already loosened, and then the more you open and closes it, it kind of just creates more tension, or it just kind of wears out the bangle. So I'm going to wear it now. And then I feel like the color is also
It's a little different.
yeah, I feel like it's a bit lighter, maybe because it hasn't been getting its tan on, you know what I mean?
Well, they heated
So-
it, right? They heated it like the top, and then they polished it again.
So that's my new set. I mean,
It's the mirror polish, maybe.
yeah, you can literally see the difference between the new one and the old one. Maybe in a different light, but I feel like you can